Namaskar. Okay, friends and families, welcome to yoga. Today let us do standing asanas, that is Ardha Kadi Chakrasana, Padasthasana and Ardha Chakrasana. So these are the standing asanas we can practice today and be benefited. Normally we do yoga in 4 postures, that is standing posture, sitting postures, prone posture, that is on the stomach, and the supine posture. These are the 4 postures we normally do it. So today let us do standing posture, the Ardha Kadi Chakrasana, Padasthasana and Ardha Chakrasana. So let us do one by one and just ready. Slowly stand. Let me do Ardha Kadi Chakrasana. Stand straight comfortably. Just relax your body. Keep smiling. Watch your breathing. Get ready for Ardha Kadi Chakrasana, the half lateral side bending. In yoga, always the right hand and the right leg starts. So let us start Ardha Kadi Chakrasana, the right hand. Slowly raise your right hand up and let it to the parallel and twist your palms, only palms. Continue the upward movement. Just pull up, be relaxed, and we are supposed to bend sideways. Just bend side so nicely. We are bending to the left side, left hand is free. Ardha Kadi Chakrasana, the half lateral side bending, is a beautiful side bending exercise. There is a lot of benefits in this. See, when you bend like this, from the right side of your body is completely curved, from the right, both the foot are strengthened on the right side of your body, right leg, the hip joints, right shoulder, hands, neck, has got a beautiful stretching exercise. Watch your breathing, normal breathe, be careful. We can do here counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back slowly. Let the hand, the right hand be straight. Slowly bring down. Let it to the parallel to the ground. When it is parallel, twist your palms up downwards. Continue the downward movement. Ardha Kadi Chakrasana. So beautiful. Side bend. When you are bending it, look at your hip and the stomach muscles are get nicely stretched. So beautiful. People suffering with gastric and any digestion problem, it will be cured. It's so nice. Ardha Kadi Chakrasana. Okay, let's go to the complementary, the left hand. Ardha Kadi Chakrasana. Get ready. Sthiti. Ekam. Hands are parallel. Only twist your palms upwards. Continue the upward movement. Pull up. Let the hand be straight and bend to your right now. Ardha Kadi. Half lateral side bending. Left hand, right hand is very free now. So fresh, nice blood circulation, you can feel it. The left hand is stretching. Be normal. Feel the beautiful stretch throughout your left side of your body from toe to finger. The left hand fingers, how beautiful it is. Stretch beautifully. Be there. Normal breathe, easy breathing. Balance your body. Smiling. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back slowly. Feel the blood flow. You can very well feel from the left hand, from fingertip to shoulder, blood is rushing down. And bring your hands parallel. When it is parallel, twist your palms downwards, continue the downward movement and be free. Now you can feel both the side of our body with the Ardha Kadi Chakrasana, right hand lifting, bending down, left hand lifting and bending down. The body is equally stretched and you have had a nice balancing, so beautiful, the Ardha Kadi Chakrasana. Thank you. Now let's go to Padasthasana, the forward bending. How to bend forward. Here, earlier the Ardha Kadi Chakrasana only 2 counts, Ekam and Dvi. Here, 4 counts, Ekam, Dvi, Trini and Chatwari. Let's do now how it is. Let me turn to this side. Padasthasana, forward bending. Ekam, Dviya, both hands are balance your body, be comfortable, relax. Now you have to bend down from your hip. Balance your body, concentrate, bend down from the hip. Both hands down, 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 down. Padasthasana, the forward bending. How beautiful it is. Easy. Bend down as much as you can, head down. Try. Feel free. Don't strain your body. Enjoy it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Trini. Chatwari. Number 4. Padasthasana, the forward bending. How beautiful it was. Bending forward systematically. Yoga is a systematic exercise, the super exercise, superior exercise. So we are not just doing haribari, very, very slow. Stiram, siram, sukham, asanam. Slowness, awareness, with a relaxed and happy manner we are doing yoga. So that is the beauty of yoga. Slowly you have to do, train your body day by day, slowly get habituated. Abhyasa and Vairagya are so important. When you practice daily, you will be very happy and you should have Vairagya. Yes, today I should do yoga, definitely, at least half an hour. So like that, make your mind. So definitely you can lead a good life. Okay, Padasthasana, the forward bending. When you have bend forward, see how nice the body is bending down. How beautiful it is. Turning to this side. Look at the hands, both the hands, shoulders, hip joints. Nice blood circulation and the blood flow to your head region, brain. So nice. When you are bending down, the stomach is pressed. Good for diabetes. People suffering with the diabetes, they can do easily this because the stomach and the pancreas get activated. So nice. Any gastric problem, digestion problem will solve. So beautiful. Padasthasana, the forward bending. So good. Look at the hip joints, the spine, shoulder, neck. Very happy, nice blood circulation happening to your head region, chest. Easy breathing, normal breathe. Come back, Trini. Slowly come. Chatwari. Hands down. And so nice. Padasthasana, the forward bending. Thank you. Now let's go to Ardha Chakrasana. Earlier we have done, first one is Ardha Kadi Chakrasana. Now we are going to do Ardha Chakrasana. There is a difference between Ardha Kadi Chakrasana and Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha Kadi means lateral side bending, we have done it. Here we are going to do Ardha Chakrasana, half wheel. How to bend back like a half wheel, half moon. Sthiti, get ready. Ekam, bring your both hands, palms onto the hip, place it comfortably. Be ready, normal breathe, easy breathing. and bend back. Stretch your head, chest down. This is the Ardha Chakrasana, half wheel posture. Be careful, normal breathe, don't bend down too much. Be comfortable, should not fall down. Be easy, normal breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come down straight. Trini Chatwari. Ardha Chakrasana. The half wheel posture. So nice it was. So the standing asanas, we have seen it. Ardha Kadi Chakrasana from the right hand and the left hand. Easily we can do it. Standing asanas. Then Padasthasana, forward bending, we have done it. How beautiful it was. Easy breathing, normal breathe. Here we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back, Trini Chatwari. Number 4. There are asanas 2 counts, there are asanas 4 counts, there are asanas 8 counts. We have to do it accordingly, comfortably. And finally we have done Ardha Chakrasana, the half wheel posture. Ekam, Dvi. How wonderful it is. We can see this, lot of benefits of this. Spine flexibility, we can have it. The chest is expanding, lungs are expanding. The throat, the neck and the facial muscles are stretching. Hands, shoulder getting strengthened. Spine is activated. Carefully you have to do Trini Chatwari. When we do this, people suffering with spondylosis, back pain, they have to be very careful. They can avoid this Ardha Chakrasana, or they can do it very, very slowly. When you bend back, carefully you have to do. You should not fall down. There are asanas, injuries to health. You have to be very careful. That's what you have to train from the yoga instructor. So always yoga is benefited, yoga is good for body. Yoga is a science. It's not about the religion. Yoga is a science to study about your body and the mind. So these are the super special yoga exercises, super exercises, superior exercises. We can very well do it daily and be happy. And after that, if you are feeling little tired or you want to take rest, you can go to Shavasana and relax, lie down, Shavasana. Relax your body, be comfortable. Legs apart, hands apart, palms facing upwards, little bend at your fingers. Relax the whole body, neck free, shoulder free, complete body free. You can give a tapping on your calf muscle, right calf, left calf, the lower part, the middle part and upper parts, including the hands. You can relax. Relax your neck, turn your neck right to left, turn your neck and the head. Be comfortable. Relax. Relax. Vishranti. So nice Shavasana. Relaxing the body and the mind. So wonderful relaxation technique. After relaxation, you can get up slowly. Getting up procedure is very important. Sensitize your toes or the fingers. Slowly join both the legs together. Slowly join. Slowly join both the hands together. Slowly fold your left leg onto the knee. Bring your left hand onto the stomach. Take your right hand near the head onto the mat. Slowly turn your right and be there. Whenever you are getting up from the bed after the sleep, you can adapt this getting up procedure is so nice. If you get up in this procedure, your heart will be very comfortable, body will be comfortable, the blood circulation will be comfortable. So you need not to worry, no hurry burry. Stiram Siram Sukham Asanam. Slowness, awareness with relaxed and happy manner. With the support of left hand, slowly get up. Sit in any comfortable posture, either in Vajrasana or Sukhasana. This is Vajrasana, the ankle posture, so nice. The diamond posture, also thunderbolt posture, Vajrasana, the diamond, the posture of diamond, so nice, wonderful. With Chin Mudra, we can do prayer. In yoga, always starting prayer and closing prayer will be there. We can do it very comfortably. Sukhasana. When you come back from the Vajrasana, you have to be very careful. Suddenly we should not get up. Slowly, one by one, you have to release the leg with the hand support. Release your legs one by one. Release your left leg and the right leg. Be comfortable. Adjust your body. Feel free. Give little tapping onto your calf muscle and come to Sukhasana. The beautiful, comfortable sitting posture, Sukhasana. So nice. Okay, friends and families, please try to practice this standing asanas, Ardha Kadi Chakrasana, Padasthasana and Ardha Chakrasana. It will be very good. You can have a flexible body, nice blood circulation will be there, and the nerve systems will take care. All the systems on our body, the muscular system, nerve systems, respiratory systems, digestive systems, all the systems will take care, and we can be very happy throughout the day by doing this yogasana. Daily you can do little by little and get succeed in your life. I'm wishing you good luck. Thank you.